think chemistry is just memorizing the periodic table. You're using chemistry right now, from the caffeine hitting your brain to the screen you're staring at. I'm Ava, and this is your definitive chemistry guide. Chemistry isn't about memorizing formulas, it's about understanding how everything around you works at the molecular level. Think of it as the ultimate recipe book for the universe. Let's start with the basics. Everything is made of atoms. Imagine them as Lego blocks. Just like Lego, these blocks connect in specific ways to build everything from water to your DNA. When atoms join together, they form molecules through chemical bonds. It's like atoms holding hands, some grip tightly, others loosely, and this determines how substances behave. Here's where it gets interesting. That morning coffee, chemistry is extracting caffeine from beans and delivering it to your brain receptors. Your phone battery, chemical reactions storing and releasing energy. Even your emotions involve chemical messengers called neurotransmitters. Now, the key principles you need to master. First, conservation of mass. Atoms can't be created or destroyed, only rearranged. Second, energy changes drive reactions. Some release energy like burning fuel, others absorb it like photosynthesis. Third, equilibrium reactions reach a balance point, like a seesaw finding its center. Understanding these principles helps you predict how reactions will behave. The secret to chemistry success? Don't just memorize, visualize. Picture atoms dancing, bonds forming and breaking, energy flowing. Make it a story, not a formula. Chemistry explains everything from why soap cleans to how medicines work. Master these fundamentals, and you'll see the world differently as an incredible molecular dance happening all around you. Let's see chemistry in action in your kitchen. Cooking is full of chemical reactions, from browning bread to boiling eggs. Sports? Chemistry explains how your muscles use energy and how sweat cools you down. Our environment relies on chemistry too. Think about the air you breathe, water purification, and climate change. Medicine is pure chemistry. From painkillers to vaccines, understanding molecules saves lives. Modern technology? Chemistry is behind batteries, screens, and even the plastics in your devices. Want to master chemistry? Practice drawing molecules, use color-coded notes, and teach concepts to a friend. Watch out for common mistakes, confusing atoms with molecules, or thinking all reactions are fast. Some take years. Chemistry opens doors to amazing careers: research, healthcare, engineering, even forensics. Remember, chemistry is everywhere. The more you look, the more you'll see its magic in daily life. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and let chemistry spark your curiosity. Thanks for joining me. I'm Ava, and this was your definitive chemistry guide. Remember, chemistry is a journey, not a destination. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and you'll discover amazing things. The world needs your ideas, so go out there and make a difference with science.